Hello, and this is Classy Handmade, and welcome to Stitch and Pattern Tuesday. Today is April the 11th. So, today I will be showing you how to make this washcloth and how to do the stitches where you can get this texture. You'll need some if you want to make the cotton washcloth, or if you want to make a washcloth, you need some cotton yarn. So for this washcloth, I use scrap cotton that I have. So I use this part here is Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. I love this cotton. Sorry. And this is sugar and cream. So I will demonstrate and show you how to do the stitches. I won't do the entire washcloth. You can, if you want to make the washcloth, you chain. It need an uneven number. For this washcloth, I chain 36, and for this washcloth. So if you want to make the washcloth, you chain 36, and today I'll show you how to do the stitches. And the stitches for this today is, we will make a row of chains and of 36 chain, and we will use single crochet and treble crochet. Okay, you'll need, I use a 4mm hook at size G, yarn needle, and a scissors, and some cotton yarn or whatever yarn you want. You can also use this stitch to make a blanket if you want. So I will make a slip knot. See, I cross the two yarn, and then I take the working yarn and push it through the loop and grab. Okay, insert your hook. For this demonstration, I'll chain 19. 1, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You'll single crochet in the second chain from the hook. You put one single crochet. So that's single crochet. You're going to do a treble crochet. So you're going to wrap the yarn around the hook twice, insert into the next chain, pull up a loop, wrap the yarn, pull through 2, wrap the yarn, pull through 2, wrap the yarn and pull through. So that's a treble crochet. Then the next stitch, you're going to put a single crochet. Then the next stitch, you're going to wrap your yarn twice, insert your hook, wrap the yarn, pull through, wrap your yarn and pull through 2, wrap your yarn, pull through 2, wrap your yarn and pull through 2. Next stitch, single crochet. So you're alternating these two stitches. Treble, wrap your yarn around the needle twice, insert into the next, wrap your yarn, pull through 2, wrap your yarn, pull through 2, wrap your yarn, pull through 2. So that's your treble stitch. The next you do a single crochet. Single crochet is insert your hook into the chain, wrap your yarn and pull through, wrap your yarn and pull through both loops. And you alternate those 2 stitches until you get to the end. When you get to the end, you will know if you are on the right track if you have the last stitch being a treble stitch. Okay, so continue. So that's a treble. I'll put a single crochet, then you put a next treble into the next stitch, single crochet, wrap your yarn twice, insert, wrap, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, single crochet, insert your hook, wrap your yarn, pull through, wrap your yarn, pull through both loops on the hook, treble, wrap your yarn twice, insert your hook, wrap your yarn and pull through a loop, wrap your yarn around your needle, pull through 2 loops, wrap your yarn around your needle, pull through 2 loops, wrap your yarn around your needle and pull through 2, single crochet, treble crochet, single crochet, treble crochet, single crochet, treble crochet in the last stitch. Okay, chain 1, then you turn. You end with a treble crochet, so you're going to put a single crochet into that treble crochet, and that's what you're going to do. Into the treble crochet you're going to put a single crochet, and into the single crochet you're going to put a treble crochet. So I end with a single crochet, I chain 1 and I turn. My first stitch will be a single crochet, a treble crochet into a single crochet, and a single crochet into the treble stitch. Sorry, so I have a treble crochet here, so it will give you this texture. You can see it have like, so this texture is created by the treble crochet. Okay, so I have a treble crochet there. I'll put a single crochet into the next, then a treble crochet, single crochet, treble crochet, single crochet, single, treble, so you have a treble here, and you're going to put a single crochet into the next, treble into the next, and you repeat that pattern all the way to the end, and I'll reach you back at the last stitch. So I'm at the last stitch, and my last stitch will be a treble stitch. So I'm going to put the treble stitch into the last single crochet, chain 1, turn. So you're going to put a single crochet into this treble right here, then a treble crochet into the single crochet, and you continue these 2 row repeat until you get to your desired length that you want. So for my washcloth that I made, the width of it is 9 inches and I did 36 stitches, and the width of it is 8 inches. So if you want a perfect square, you can go a couple more rows. I'll tell you exactly how much more rows. About 2 more rows if you want a 9-inch washcloth. So continue working until you get your desired length. When you get to your desired length, let me finish off this row. All right, chain 1, and you're going to turn. When I finish getting the desired length that I want, and you can see the texture right here. Let me zoom in a little. The texture that the treble stitch is creating is giving you like a bump, some bumps. So what you're going to do, you're going to single crochet up into each stitch right across. 1. So I have 20 stitches, so I should put 20 single crochet. 2, 3. And sometimes you might have to turn your piece to find the stitches. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. You might have to turn your piece. You see, when you look at it from this angle, you cannot see your chain that is made by these stitches. So if you have to turn it a little bit to see it, you can see it right there. See? Right here. So just turn it a little bit to make sure you're going into the right stitch, okay? And you single crochet all the way across. Fasten off, then you cut your yarn, okay? So that's my last stitch. I'll make a chain, and then I'll cut my yarn here, and then you weave in all your ends. Hope you enjoy this Stitch and Pattern Tuesday. You can use this stitch here to make a washcloth, blanket, or whatever you would like. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for joining me. Goodbye.